UK, this is Theo, and today we will be reviewing these amazing capsule farm animals. I'm pretty sure that there are different types, but today we will be showing the farm one. So in here it looks like there are about 12 different capsules, and you need to put them in this water we have here, and they will expand into different animals. Let's open them and see what's inside. There are horses, there are rabbits, there are geese, there are donkeys, there are pigs, there are ducks, there are, chickens and roosters, there are sheep, goats, cows, bulls and turkeys. Daddy, please give me open these. Really hard to open. So here we have them. So I wonder what they're going to be. Here's the first one. Here comes number 2. So now I put 5 in, and now we're going to see what they turn into. I wonder how long these will take.
2 weeks later.
Oh, they're ready. Okay, so this has taken about 15 minutes or so, and now they're all ready. So we have a pig, we have a cow, we have a duck, we have a bunny, and we have a cockerel. We're going to put the last ones in and do a time lapse so you can see how they're growing. So we've waited a while and now we've got them ready. So we have a sheep now, and sheep are my favourite animals. We have, I'm not sure what this is.
Is that not fully grown out yet?
Oh, I don't think it's fully grown out. We might need to leave that
Take
one.
the end of it.
Yes. Ooh. Oh, this is a horse. Cool. So this is a horse. This is a donkey. This is a, I don't know this one.
It's like a hyena.
A hyena.
On farm, that's dangerous.
Yeah. Really dangerous. Here we have a duck or a, oh, this is geese. A goose. Here. Then we have, I wonder what this one is. I think it's a cockerel or something.
How do they work then?
So the plastic will start to go away and fade away by the water. Like this is just jelly-like now. But then, once that started to come away, the water will get in and make the, squishy animals come. So here, I can just squish it. And it's like foam. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Bye! I really need to